Growing your own food is a vital skill. This is especially true in uncertain times. Knowing how to feed yourself and your family brings peace of mind. It makes you more self-reliant. You are not dependent on grocery stores. You can enjoy fresh, healthy food right from your home. Indoor gardening makes this possible for everyone. You don't need a backyard or a balcony. Even a small apartment can become a haven for growing food. With a little knowledge and effort, you can become an indoor gardening pro. Indoor gardening offers many benefits. It's a practice that has been gaining popularity for good reason. Whether you live in a small apartment or a house with limited outdoor space, indoor gardening can transform your living environment into a lush, green oasis. First, it allows year-round food production. Unlike traditional outdoor gardening, where you're at the mercy of the seasons, indoor gardening lets you grow your favorite vegetables and herbs all year long. This means you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce even in the dead of winter. You are not limited by seasons or weather changes. Whether it's snowing outside or scorching hot, your indoor garden remains unaffected. This stability ensures that your plants can thrive without the stress of fluctuating weather conditions. Imagine fresh tomatoes in December. Second, it maximizes space. Indoor gardening is perfect for those who have limited outdoor space. You can utilize every inch of your home, from windowsills to countertops, to grow a variety of plants. Even with limited square footage, you can grow a surprising amount of food vertically. Vertical gardens and stackable planters are excellent solutions for maximizing space. They allow you to grow multiple layers of plants in a small area, making the most of your available space. Stackable planters and vertical gardens are your friends. These innovative gardening tools help you create a productive garden in even the smallest of spaces. They are perfect for growing herbs, vegetables, and even small fruits. Third, indoor gardening gives you complete control over your growing environment. You can create the perfect conditions for your plants to thrive. This means you can adjust the light, temperature, and humidity to suit the specific needs of each plant. You can adjust light, temperature, and humidity to suit your plant's needs. This level of control leads to healthier plants and better yields. You can ensure that your plants get exactly what they need to grow strong and produce abundant harvests. This leads to healthier plants and better yields. Indoor gardening allows you to monitor and adjust the growing conditions continuously, ensuring that your plants are always in the best possible environment. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to nurture life and watch your food grow from seed to table. The sense of accomplishment and joy that comes from harvesting your own fresh produce is unmatched. Indoor gardening not only provides you with healthy, homegrown food, but also brings a sense of peace and satisfaction to your daily life. An indoor garden is a fantastic way to supplement your food storage. While pantry staples are essential, nothing beats the taste and nutrition of fresh produce. Imagine adding fresh herbs to your stored beans or rice. Think about enjoying a salad with homegrown lettuce and tomatoes. Focus on growing foods that you eat regularly. This will help you stretch your food budget further. You can dry herbs, freeze peppers, or make pesto with your basil harvest. Your indoor garden becomes a mini farm, providing fresh food and enhancing your long-term food security. Selecting the right crops is crucial for a successful indoor garden. Some vegetables thrive in the controlled environment of your home. Start with easy-to-grow varieties that are well-suited for containers. Cherry tomatoes are a popular choice. They are prolific producers and don't need much space. Cucumbers are another great option, but they need vertical support to climb. Peppers, both sweet and hot, add flavor to your meals and can be easily grown in pots. Setting up your indoor garden. The basics. Welcome to the wonderful world of indoor gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, this guide will help you get started on the right foot. Setting up your indoor garden is simpler than you might think. With just a few basic supplies and a little bit of know-how, you can create a thriving indoor oasis. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. In fact, many of the items you need might already be in your home. Here are the basic things you need. First, containers. Containers are essential for holding your plants and providing them with the space they need to grow. Choose pots with good drainage. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom of the pot, which can lead to root rot. You can use plastic pots, ceramic pots, or even recycled containers. Get creative. Next, growing medium. The growing medium is what your plants will grow in, and it needs to be suitable for container gardening. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for containers. This type of mix ensures that your plant's roots have access to both air and water. Avoid using garden soil as it can be too dense and may contain pests. Garden soil often doesn't drain well in containers and can harbor insects and diseases that could harm your plants. You can start your plants from seeds or buy seedlings from a local nursery. Seeds are a great way to start if you want to grow a variety of plants and enjoy the process of nurturing them from the very beginning. Starting from seeds is more economical but requires more time and patience. If you're looking for quicker results, seedlings are a fantastic option. They give you a head start and can be easier to manage for beginners. A watering can with a long spout will make it easier to water your plants without wetting the leaves. Wet leaves can lead to fungal issues, so it's best to water the soil directly. With these basics, you're well on your way to creating a beautiful and healthy indoor garden. Happy gardening! Let there be light and other indoor gardening essentials. When it comes to indoor gardening, light is the most critical factor for success. Without adequate light, plants cannot photosynthesize effectively, which means they won't grow or produce fruits and vegetables as they should. Light is the most critical factor for indoor gardening success. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing windows are ideal because they receive the most sunlight throughout the day. However, not everyone has the luxury of a south-facing window. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing windows are ideal. If you don't have enough natural light, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. These lights come in various types, including fluorescent LED and high-intensity discharge (HID) lights. Each type has its pros and cons, but all can be effective in providing the necessary light spectrum for plant growth. If you don't have enough natural light, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. Besides light, pay attention to these factors. Temperature. Most vegetables prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Maintaining a consistent temperature within this range is crucial for optimal plant growth. Besides light, pay attention to these factors. Temperature. Most vegetables prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Most vegetables prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Humidity is another important factor. Plants generally thrive in environments with moderate humidity levels. Too much humidity can lead to mold and mildew, while too little can cause plants to dry out, or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Keep the air around your plants slightly humid. You can use a humidifier or place trays of water near your plants. This helps maintain the right moisture level in the air, which is essential for plant health. Keep the air around your plants slightly humid. You can use a humidifier or place trays of water near your plants. Air circulation. Good air circulation helps prevent diseases. Stagnant air can lead to the growth of mold, mildew, and other pathogens that can harm your plants. You can use a humidifier or place trays of water near your plants. Air circulation. Good air circulation helps prevent diseases. A small fan can improve air movement, ensuring that your plants get the fresh air they need to thrive. Good air circulation helps prevent diseases. A small fan can improve air movement. By paying attention to these essential factors, light, temperature, humidity, and air circulation, you can create an ideal environment for your indoor garden to flourish. Happy gardening! A small fan can improve air movement. Sustainable indoor gardening tips and tricks. Make your indoor garden more sustainable with these tips. Choose perennials. Some herbs like oregano and thyme are perennials. This means they come back year after year, saving you money on seeds or seedlings. Prepare for power outages. Invest in a backup power source for your grow lights in case of emergencies. Practice soil management. Refresh your potting mix annually with compost or worm castings to replenish nutrients. Save seeds. Collect seeds from your harvest to plant next season. Propagate plants. Many plants can be easily propagated from cuttings. Troubleshooting your indoor garden. Every gardener faces challenges. Here are some common issues and their solutions. 1. Leggy plants. This indicates a lack of light. Move your plants closer to a window or use grow lights. 2. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering or underwatering can cause this. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. 3. Pests. Indoor plants can attract pests like spider mites or fungus gnats. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them. Remember, observation is key. Regularly check your plants for any signs of distress and address them promptly. Start small, grow big, and enjoy the harvest. Starting an indoor garden might seem daunting, but take it one step at a time. Begin with a few pots of your favorite herbs or vegetables. As you gain confidence, expand your garden gradually. Indoor gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and savor the satisfaction of growing your own food. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve in your own home.